Are you tired of guessing which keywords to target while your competitors steal your traffic? Learn how to uncover their exact keyword strategy in under 3 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the Semrush keyword gap tool step by step. You'll see exactly how to compare domains and find untapped keywords. Go to the Keyword Gap Analysis tool in Semrush to compare competitors' domains. Click on Features to open the menu. Click on Try It Free to access the tool. Click on Keyword Gap to open the analysis page. Click on You to enter your own domain. Click on Compare to proceed. Click on Enter Your Competitors to add them. Click on Enter Your Competitors to confirm. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.